I want you to Google NBPTS Scoring Calculator. And that scoring calculator will help you to put in scores. Also, this scoring guide PDF here, that's what I go over in my initial challenge, which I'd love to have you join today. It's free. Again, go over and join that and watch me unpack it for you. But this scoring calculator, if we go over to it, you can actually put in your scores. If your mind's telling you right now, oh my gosh, I looked at that rubric, there's no way I'm going to get more than a 2 on component 2. And component 4, holy cow, that I can't get more than a 2 on that either. I hope you're not saying this to yourself, by the way. But if you're saying that, and then you say, okay, I have 1.3. Oh, what do I need to get on my selected response? Okay, let's say I get a 3 because I'm really good at content. And then constructed responses, which is where I have to come up with lesson plans and activities and really target needs in a matter of 30 minutes on something related to my curriculum. Well, I probably could, let's just say 2.5 on that, and a 2.5 on this one, and a 2.5 on this one. Okay, so that would give me at the testing center a 2.65, component 2, I'm thinking a 2, component 4, I'm thinking a 2. That means to get me to the 110 that I have to have, I'm going to have, a 3's not even going to be enough. And I don't know, will I be able to get to the 3.25 mark? Well, that's enough, but it's a lot of pressure. So this calculator then, you go to the rubric. I always choose level 4 rubrics. I don't choose the level 2 or 3 rubric. No, I choose a 4. And then I really think about the time I invest in the process and the shift that I'm making in my growth and my thinking around the standards and that rubric and what I bring to my kids. And then I'm able to do a way better job of predicting exactly what I have to make. And so my mind starts to say, hey, I can do this. I mean, I could get a 3. At least. And that's minimum I could get. I'm sure I could get a 4, but if I'm just being modest about this and getting a 3 here and getting 2.5s here, I'm way over the hump. So I'm definitely going to meet the national board's standard for being a national board certified teacher. And then for many of you, it's a huge pay raise. For others of you, it could be advancement in the profession. It's an amazing thing to become nationally board certified. I did it back in 1998. That's a long time ago. I'm up for my 3rd renewal soon. So it's fun, and I still have fun with the process. You also have fun with the process. You enjoy playing around with this scoring calculator. Remember, growth mindset, your thoughts need to stay around asset driven. What can you do, not what you can't do. And keep growing big, my friends. I'll see you over at TraceyBryantStuckey.com for that initial challenge. Bye now.